get into the science of it. Castor oil is very well known for its degreasing properties. So it goes deep into your skin's pores and starts to degrease the pores. So what that means is that if there is any dirt, grime, impurities, or hardened fats, hardened oils which give rise to dullness of skin, blackheads, whiteheads, or acne, castor oil has this profound ability to degrease your pores so that all of this stuff can be solubilized. In Ayurveda, it's also known very well for its anti-inflammatory and skin calming properties. So if your skin tends to be acne prone or redness is become an issue and inflammation, then using castor oil regularly on your skin can help matters quite a bit by calming your skin down. As promised, let me teach you a very simple castor oil based remedy. This remedy, you are going to need 1 tablespoonful of either almond oil or extra virgin olive oil. And to this, you're going to add just no more than 2 drops of castor oil. Mix everything well and massage your skin with this mix for about 3 minutes. Leave it on for another 10 minutes and wash your skin with your cleanser, lukewarm water only, and then use your skincare routine right after.